Simple recipe to get rid of wrinkles on the neck as well as sagging skin at home. Sagging skin is a side effect of the aging process like wrinkles on the neck. It is caused by excessive exposure to UVA and UVB rays from the sun and a poor diet. This can decrease the elasticity of the skin, causing sagging. And you can also have sagging skin if you lose a lot of weight, usually 10 kg or more. Wrinkles and sagging skin on the neck can be treated with creams and Botox, but these aesthetic methods are not all good because some of them contain chemicals and can cause side effects. So, we will share with you a natural method to help you get rid of wrinkles and sagging skin and get youthful neck skin today. This mask is incredibly easy to make, and you probably already have the ingredients in the kitchen right now. Before starting the recipe, if you'd like to receive useful recipes like this video to take care of your skin and look younger, then subscribe to the channel by pressing the red button and then the bell, so you will receive our advice every day. The first ingredient that you need is an egg. Egg is amazingly good for your skin. Both the yolks and the whites are packed with nutrients. The whites are rich in a variety of proteins, which help to perk up the neck skin and make it more taut. It gives smooth skin by getting rid of wrinkles on the neck. Meanwhile, egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats. It locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your neck soft and supple. Now, prepare a blender and pour both yolk and whites into it. The next ingredient that you need to prepare is pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in antioxidants as well as amino acids, which protect your skin from sun damage and wrinkles, and it gently exfoliates for a more radiant complexion. In addition, the vitamin C in pumpkins can help to fight free radicals and prevent your skin from aging. It can also help to fight off skin cancer. Vitamin C keeps your neck skin plump and helps you avoid saggy skin. With each application, you just need one small slice of pumpkin, roughly 1/4 cup, and cut it into small pieces. Then, pour pumpkin into the blender along with egg. Run the blender until getting a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture into a bowl to mix with another anti-wrinkles ingredient. Now, add a teaspoon of raw honey and stir well. Honey not only seals in moisture but increases elasticity, stimulates collagen production, and minimizes wrinkles on the neck. There are many different ones to choose from, but the top honey for skincare is raw honey and manuka honey. Your neck mask is ready. Here's how to use it. Start by washing your neck with your regular cleansers and warm water. Apply the mask on the neck by using your fingers or a makeup brush. You can also apply to the face until a coatage, but you will probably need to double the ingredients. Relax and allow the mask to work for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, rinse to reveal a brighter, firmer, smoother neck skin. This mask has a nourishing and rejuvenating effect and should be used 2 times in a week.